Hello traders once again today, and as I said, we are presenting second analysis for today. That will be for the silver XAC versus USD. Before we get started, reminding you that all the information in this video is for educational purpose only, should not be considered as a financial advice. We just spoke about gold in our previous analysis where we did Euro Japanese yen, but just quick recap. On the gold, I do see this upside rally to start. Probably from now on it will continue rising, and obviously the silver is very correlated to gold, and they move quite in the same fashion, very similar. Basically the overall trend usually is the same, the major trend. So while I do expect gold to move up, especially after this corrective move to the downside, which also was expected. And if you remember, I did expect this corrective move down at this stage, and I did expect corrective move down at this stage. So this is the end of these corrections from what I see, and this does apply to the silver as well. And in regards to the silver, what we see is the long-term uptrend. This is a daily time frame, and the very interesting thing here obviously is the rejection of the trend line. Daily closing price failed to close below. It was above. There was another candle, but it was a weekly opening price, and we see that it was an opening price, not the closing price. The closing price has been above. So while the market opened at this price, it closed still above. So this validates the uptrend, which obviously is still valid. And today we also had this rejection of the uptrend trend line yet again. Now we can see that this previous zone of resistance could be acting as the support. Obviously it should be very attractive for buyers anywhere near this area. Just show you. So this is our area, and this is the support. We saw this clear break to the upside. Now corrective move down, uptrend trend line rejected. I do think this will be now the move to the upside, which should start. And the key resistance here is not that far away. It's at $26.4. And but on the daily time frame, obviously it's quite a bit to go, but it should be pretty fast. Now, why this resistance is very important, I have two fibs here applied. First was applied to this correction down, where we had a clean rejection of the 200 simple moving average. So this was the rejection. I have applied this to this corrective wave down, and what we see is a very clean bounce of the 327.2 pips. Very clean rejection. It does suggest that it was the bottom, and as long as price above this level, especially if the daily and or weekly closing prices will remain above, this will be a long-term bullish scenario for the silver. And we can see that there is this triangle is forming, and it could be that price will be reaching this top and consolidating within the triangle. Then there should be quite a tricky market here. I think it will be breakout to the upside, then breakout to the downside. Basically the move to kick out all the stop losses from buyers and sellers, and only then price will be moving up. I think it will skyrocket over the long term. I think the potential for the silver is enormous, and yeah, but for now we're just looking at this probably 1 week price action that is expected. Okay, so back to the resistance. We have this fibs, which we have this support here, and we have 661.8 fibs at 26.40, and there is another fibs applied to this corrective wave down, last move to the downside, where we see 78.6 fibs. These two fibs correspond also to the downtrend trend line, and it means that there should be this, I think there will be spike actually to test the trend line, but price is likely to be stuck here for the time being. We might see this choppy market, very choppy, and basically only then we might be seeing a continuation. So for now, move to the upside, consolidation, and then the rally starts. And it could be at the end of this year, beginning of the next year, that this rally will start. So I hope you enjoyed this analysis for the silver. If you did, smash the like, as many as you can. If you didn't, smash the dislike. But in this case, put the comment down below what you didn't like, and we will try to improve that. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you tomorrow with the new analysis. Take care, and I wish you profits.